Hey Hooper, it's Deanne Love here. We are on day 29 of the 30 days in flow. And the 4 tricks that I randomly selected today, they're pretty cool. But they also keep us a little bit stuck in the mud. And one of the things that I love the most about hooping is setting ourselves free, full liberation through movement all around the space. But these tricks, they can become obstacles to that. So here is the sweet spot that we are always looking for, and that is to be able to move with freedom and build hyperspatial awareness and body intelligence, even though we're like grappling to take the hoop in all these different ways. So today's theme, today's concept, which you can always find over on learn.hooplovers.tv on 30 days in flow. Whew, that's hard to say fast, is accept. What can we accept? We can accept that this is a continuous journey of learning. We can accept that new things will come, and sometimes we'll forget the old, but then they come back through when we give ourselves time to play and express. And we can accept that our body moves differently given the circumstances, that may be food and hydration and emotions and feelings and environment and sensations. We can accept that we are ultimately creative beings, and this is a continuous journey. Let's flow. Today's 4 tricks, they are breaks, an escalator, and step through and kick up. How are we going to put this together? A million different ways, but here is what I am proposing. Off-body breaks, let's flow with it. So some of these tricks are going to keep us stuck in the mud, but we are accepting that we have full freedom to liberate ourselves. With a sway. I'm passing the hoop from inner elbow to inner elbow with my hand on the inside of my hoop. Off-body breaks. You might have your hands simply gripping the hoop on the top side as it bounces off your beautiful side body. Up to you. From here, the next time it comes into my right hand, I'm going to wrap my hoop down and on. So it's my favorite kind of reverse escalator. I do it all the time. Do you have variations? Rock them. So for me, I'll show you when it comes into my right hand, I bring my the fleshy bit of my hand up towards me. So I bend my elbow and I hinge the hoop to the back of my body here. With a light grip, I'm going to then notice the contact point on my left side and hinge the hoop forward, gently let go and hold on. Break, break, wrap, hip pop down. Now I need to step through, easy step through here. So all that I did was from this downward first position escalator, bring the hoop towards my belly, step through with my opposite side arm, right leg if it's on the right side, and head. Now I need to do a kick up. So let's put a wedgie in. Aha, wedgies. All right. I don't think that I teach wedgies very often on YouTube, so let's just go for a really basic breakdown. You might already know how to do, but so we stepped through, and now if wedgies are new to you, these are not the best pants to show your wedgie in, but somewhere between the halfway point between your knees and your crotch, you are going to squeeze your front leg back and your back leg forward, but not super tight. But what you want to do is you're going to let go. There's going to be a little bit of tension on the hoop. And as you let go, the hoop will go over. If it's on your right side, it will go over to your left very naturally. See that? And if your left leg is back, you're going to need to take your left knee forward, right knee forward. I like to pick up my heels. Can you see that my heels are coming off the ground? And it's my knees that are crossing over in front of each other. The hoop is coming up to hit me in my back left shoulder. It's not very pleasant. I am gripping my hoop, stopping it from going too high or too low by making this like as if I was kind of building a fire. It's kind of building a fire down there, if I'm honest. Now, yes, the size of your hoop is going to change the way that you move. If you have a really big hoop, it's going to come up really high. If you have a really small hoop, it's going to be very lit. So you're going to adjust. You're going to accept that whatever hoop that you have right now, you're going to play around with it. If you cannot wedgie like this, it's too painful, it doesn't feel comfortable, you have some options. You can play and practice. Yes, I got inner thigh bruises in the beginning, but after a while they went away. Or you can use your hand to catch if you like. So you're just passing from side to side. Now you will notice, because of this, the way that we're doing this, it's very one-sided. My hip is just over to the left. You can do duck throughs and you can do lots of different things, but the trick that was randomly selected is a kick up. So to do that, what I'm going to do is the next time the hoop comes up towards my left fleshy bit, I'm going to bring my right leg in and down, and I catch. Now you might be able to kick up all the way to the sky, to your hand above. You can play with the intensity of your kick up. So remember, we went wrap, down, on, step, through. Let your hoop drop as it drops to the left. Left knee forward, right knee forward, left knee forward. And there's a lot of things that go on, right? Have a little play. Make sure that you're gentle. Get the arnica out. We started breaks. We are accepting how amazingly awesome and human we are. Then we went into behind reverse hip hop escalator. Then we stepped through. Then we did a little wedgie. You can just do one if you like, or if you need a bit of time, you're going to kick the hoop up and off, and then full freedom to express. Let's play with acceptance of whatever is created and built in this flow time. Continuing to play and move with all of those and seeing if you can activate this 360 flow. I know for a lot of the teaching I try to face you or face away, but there is full freedom as you are. Wrapping back, you can turn to one side, you can turn to the other. Get as creative and expressive as you like. One more day. Big hoop love. I'll see you tomorrow. Mwah.